Behavior management plans are basically written for adults. Behavior management is for adults. It's what we will say, what we will not say, what we will do, what we will put into place, how consistent we are, our expectations, rules, whatever you want to call them. That's what behavior management is all about. We're responsible for putting things into place to help manage. Intervention, behavior intervention plans are put together for children. They're teaching kids the skills they need so that we no longer have to manage them. The idea is, I don't want to have to keep managing kids. We talked about you have a little grid that says, here's what we should see in the cafeteria, the hallway, all that kind of stuff. That's management. But what that lacks is intervention. Where are we teaching the kids the skills so that they can actually independently demonstrate those things that we've written on our rules? So that's clearly the difference between management and intervention. Intervention's for kids, management is what we do.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.